Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Davril and today I'm going to be showing you guys what I eat in a day on this new vegan diet. Today I'm going to show you guys what I have for breakfast, lunch and dinner. Usually I like to start my day off with a glass of water and then I have a bowl of oats. I'm going to show you guys exactly how I like to make that. Alright, so first off I like to put the oats in a bowl and then add the silk almond milk and let it sit for just a little while so that it's not dry while I'm eating it. Next I'm going to be putting in some mixed nuts. This one has cashews, almonds and hazelnuts in there. Then I sprinkle with chia seeds, crushed linseed and vegan dark chocolate drips. I also sprinkle with cinnamon powder and then I add some agave just for the extra sweetness. In the end, I add some sliced bananas. This is the end result. This breakfast holds me for hours. Let me know in the comment section below if you guys love having oats for breakfast. And for lunch today, I'm going to be having a roasted veggie sandwich. It might be a little bit spicy for some of you guys, so if so, just adjust the spice to your liking. Usually, I like to start by washing my vegetables and cleaning them out. Next, I'm going to be cutting these sweet peppers along with some zucchini into 1/4 inch thick pieces. Next, I'm going to add them both to a big bowl, add some olive oil and sprinkle over with some chili flakes. Next I'm going to add these both to a baking sheet. I did not have any parchment paper, so I just greased the bottom of the baking sheet. If you guys have parchment paper, you can use that. I put the zucchini first and then the sweet peppers on top. And I'm going to put these in the oven on about 350 until I see that it's cooked and it's nice and brown on the edges. While that's in the oven, I'm going to get the salad ready. So I rinse my leaves and add them to the bowl. I cut up cherry tomatoes and add shredded carrots. And top that with some balsamic vinegar and then I toss it all up. Next I have vegan mayo, bread and cheese and I put them all together. Then I add the roasted veggies into the sandwich. This is going to go back into the oven for 5 minutes on each side. This meal is simple, colorful, very tasty and juicy. I hope you guys try this one. Let me know in the comment section below. If you do, I want to know how it turns out. And last, for dinner, I'm going to be having a lentil pea lasagna bowl. I'm not sure how to say it. First, I saute some diced onions and garlic. Then I add in some black pepper and salt, some tomato sauce, and my pre-soaked lentil peas. Mix it in with some vegetable broth and garlic powder. Then I cover the pot until it comes to a boil. After it's been boiling for about 5 minutes, I add my lasagna and I stir occasionally until the lasagna is fully cooked. Now that my lasagna is fully cooked, I add in some spinach leaves and some chili powder. I did not show that, but trust me, it's in there. It gives the flavor a really nice kick. You don't want to add too much chili powder though because it can get really hot. Now these are just a few of the things that I eat on a daily basis on this new vegan diet. If you guys want to see more videos like this, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, hit the like button and comment below to let me know. I'll see you guys in the next one.